The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Atlanta Police Department and the Center for Disease Control and Prevention. This is not a test. An unknown virus has been reported to have been rapidly spreading across the state of Georgia. In order to limit the spread of the virus, residents are ordered to shelter in place. Lock all doors and windows, seal any visible cracks with tape, and do not go outside. It is unknown what the symptoms of infection are. Stay tuned for further information. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Georgia State Police. Unprovoked biting attacks have been reported from all across the state. It is most likely a result of infection from the virus. If you are attacked or witness someone get attacked, call 911 immediately. To avoid infection, stay away from those who are attacked. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Atlanta Police Department. This is not a test. More biting attacks have been reported, with around 50 casualties being reported. Hospitals are near their maximum capacity. Residents are ordered to shelter in place. Make sure you have food, water, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio. If you or someone with you is attacked, call 911 immediately. If you cannot reach 911 for 2 minutes, call the Atlanta Police Department at 404-546-6900. Repeat, the police department's number is 404-546-6900. Call the police department if you cannot reach 911. Residents are ordered to shelter in place. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Georgia Emergency Management and Homeland Security, along with the Center for Disease Control and Prevention. This is not a test. The virus, now known as the Wildfire virus, has been reported to. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Center for Disease Control and Prevention. The Wildfire virus has no effect on those infected, until they die. When the host dies in any way, unless the brain is destroyed, the host will be reanimated by the virus and will attempt to devour any person or animal they can find. If anyone is bitten, they should be put down, as they are a danger to those around them. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Georgia Emergency Management and Homeland Security, along with the National Guard. An order for evacuation has been issued for the entirety of Georgia. The order for evacuation has been terminated. Do not evacuate. Repeat, do not evacuate. The wildfire virus has spread to Florida, Alabama, and South Carolina. Martial law is in effect in those states, as well as Georgia. A curfew is now in place from 8 p.m. to 8 a.m. Anyone outside during that time will be arrested or possibly killed. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by.
Jenner here. It's day 194 since wildfire was declared, and 63 days since the disease abruptly went global. There's no clinical progress to report. Item, I finally got the scrubbers in the east sector shut down to save power. Wish I could have done it a month ago, but it took me that long to figure it out. Too bad I never studied engineering. Could have saved a lot of amps. Item. Still not sleeping well. Can't seem to keep regular hours. Living underground doesn't help. Not knowing if it's day or night. I'm just feeling very